Stop by and take a look at the 2020 GX 460. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive 4.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, hill descent control, alloy wheels, xenon headlights, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, anti-lock braking system, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, rear view camera, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, front knee, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.